to unboxings. The first one that I have is from Jim'sDaughter, and it is wax melts. And so it came packaged nicely. And I have a card. Let's see what it says. It's a thank you card, and it's so pretty. And it has the business card. So let's get to it. What's in here? First, I have a pumpkin marshmallow sample. Okay, that smells nice. Next is called Night Ice. I like that she faces them this way. It's called Night Ice. See what this smells like. It smells crisp. It smells very masculine. Alright, so what did I order? What did I order? Oh, look, she's got a nice little label. Alright. Tune to know. Oh, yes. Midsummer Nights. Yes, I was hoping it smelled similar to the Midsummer Night by, what's the candle company called? I forgot. But you know. The, big candle company. Yankee Candle. That's what it is. Then I got some, I guess this is scoopable wax melt. And I messed it up, so I'm trying to make it pretty again for you guys. So it came nicely wrapped with a little spoon. This one is scented in Japanese flower. I'm sorry, cherry blossom. Didn't know that I could smell that one too much. This one I got specifically just for the colors. I just liked the colors, the mixture of colors that I saw on the site. And so it should make for a pretty melt. Look at that. The scent is not my fave. It's food scented, and I'm not really much for food scents, but I just loved the color on this, so I had to get it anyway. Then I got Tide type melts. They do smell like Tide. I have some. I bought 2 of the China Rain. Oh my gosh. So I'm glad I got 2. I just liked the scent profiles that were on this one. And so I got the 2, and I'm happy because so far it's my favorite scent out of the little box. And then the Vanilla Bean Noel. Vanilla Bean Noel. It's just a little wax tart with crumbles on top, and they're both the same. Is my all-time favorite scent. Second to that is Rose Jam. But this one right here, China Rain, might be in the running now. Alright, so that's all that I have for Jim'sDaughter. And I will be right back with the other unboxing. So I'm back with my other unboxing. This one is from a Pharaoh's Kiss. I love a Pharaoh's Kiss, but I can never catch a restock. Like, I'm always missing out. And I never buy a lot because I already have so much stash that I just can't have too many bath bombs just laying around anymore. My husband's getting tired of all the bins of bath bombs I have. Alright. Alright, so what do I have here first? This is Seaside Chic. Oh, yes. And it is beautiful. I was trying to read the receipt here. This was $7.50. The second item is, this is scented in strawberry lemonade. This is called Lemon Swirl. And I just wanted to smell it, honestly. It's so freaking cute, though. She does a good job with she's like an artist, honestly. And then the next one that I have is, I didn't tell you the price of the Lemon Swirl was only $6. Then the Tiki guy. I had to get him because look at that. How could I not have gotten him? Oh my gosh. Literally, this thing is the freaking shiz. Look at it. It's the shiz. All right. This is called Tiki Man, and it's scented in tropical soda. So, again, what do we have? We have the Tiki Man. Cute little strawberry lemonade. This one here is just like mesmerizing pretty. So pretty. All right. And then finally, I believe we have some samples of pink grapefruit wax melts. They're little gummy bears, so cute. And then Sea Star in pink grapefruit. This is, I believe, a sample of her dust. All right, so that's all that I have for today's unboxings. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And if you are subscribed, hit the notification button so you can be notified anytime I make a video. Is that what you really want to do? Yes, that's what you want to do. All right, guys, that's all for today. I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.